He has seen more than 10%, around 11% fall in prices for Bank Nifty. Even Nifty corrected around 5.5–6%, and we'll dwell more into that rollover statistics
And this
later.
is when NBFCs are not even a composite of Nifty Bank. If that were to be the case, perhaps the fall would have been sharper.
So HDFC Limited is one of the largest NBFC.
Yeah, not all of them, where the deepest cuts have come.
Absolutely. So if we factor in that NBFC component, then the overall fall would be much higher. And that's what, Bank Nifty is also showing 11% fall in price. But coming to the internals of the market, now this last series, decimal series, and it is mainly because of long unwinding. And historically we have seen then when such high change in open interest take place, when all these bullish traders or investors also take position in future segment, they don't roll over their positions. That is generally a sign of change in trend or a big halt or pause in a bullish trend, and that's what this series has given to us in form of statistics. Now that's point number one. If you look at from very short term perspective, then there is a lot of call writing which is taking place in 11,200 strike price for the October series. Now that's the call where you are seeing highest open interest, and if you look at the sentiments of market, which is like correction, so your ceiling is defined, your floor is not getting defined properly. Yes, there are some traces of built up in 10,800 put, but the base is not that high at this point of to say that that's a very strong support. IVs, despite market stabilizing or showing not a sign of 150–200 points correction, IVs are still high at 16.20 levels, and it seems like they will move much higher. So watch out for options premiums. They are not cheap anymore. The other point which I want to highlight is which are the stocks which have shown high rollovers in terms of stocks which are heavyweight also. Yes Bank, needless to mention. Maruti is one stock which has shown formation of short positions. Bank of Baroda. And one last comment on HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has been an instrumental stock for market to move higher. HDFC Bank has shown very less rollover, which means that people, whether it's FIs, DIs or HNIs, they have not rolled over their long position, Nikunj and Aisha Tanveer, which means that they are no more anticipating HDFC Bank to continue to give that kind of performance. So that's a very important observation. All in all, it was a bad series, and statistics are not good.
Okay, aside of that, of course, like we said, that the markets are keenly awaiting what the government's second half borrowing plan is going to be. That's going to be announced today. And I guess some more cues and measures to be able to tackle liquidity. The market is going to definitely look out cues from there for that. But